So you see this behind me, it has been 3 months since I built it, so I thought like it's finally the time that I make a video for it. So yeah, let's start. So first is our processor. This is a very humble little i5 12 Gen F processor. F basically means that it doesn't have an integrated Intel graphic card, but other than that it's similar to i5 12 Gen. It's 12400F, so yeah, it's slightly a toned down variant compared to like the variants that other 12 generation have. And next is our motherboard. I would say the biggest regret that motherboard. It's a H610 motherboard. MSI or Gigabyte, every motherboard is same. But why I say it's a biggest regret, because if you have seen my old videos, I can't overclock the memory, or else this motherboard will just give up. Other than that, this motherboard is good because my CPU is not overclockable, so this motherboard is totally fine. But yeah, I still think a B series motherboard will be better. Which B series I will recommend you at the end. So let's just keep this aside. And our graphic card. This I totally don't regret buying this. This is the best purchase. This is our RX 6600 graphic card, 8GB variant, and yeah, it's a 3-fan setup. It looks cool, it works cool, and it stays cool. What more do you need? And next we have our power supply. This as you can see, it's a pretty decent power supply from Cooler Master. I don't trust anti-sports or other power supply enough to go with them, so hence I went with a slightly expensive power supply, but the power supply will make sure that my PC doesn't catch on fire, which is necessary if you see my work, what I do. And as for the RAM, I just went with the whatever was the cheapest, and this is Ripjaws. Again, these are 3666 clock rated, but my motherboard cannot handle it, so I'm just using it base clock speed. These are 8 gigs each, total 16 gigs of RAM. That's enough for now. I recommend if you can go for 32, but this can work. And for M.2 storage, I went with WD Green. Again, this was the cheapest, and it's a lot easier to trust WD than EVM in my perspective, like stability and longevity wise. So yeah, that's why I went with it. It was cheap, I would say. And the other thing is my monitor. This is Acer monitor. It's a 180Hz monitor, and it's a LCD panel monitor. Yeah, that's all to it. But the main problem is it comes with the world's crappiest stand. Let me just remove it. Yeah, see, so no way in the hell I could use this stand in this configuration. So for that I bought Amazon basic stand. If you see, this is the Amazon basic arm. Now that I see, it's slightly tilted, but that's fine because it's holding the structure. So this stand helped me to get the space that I need in the bottom part. But if I use that stand that comes with Acer, no way I can fit the monitor, and it's not even secure. So yeah, anyone that is going to buy this monitor, Acer ones, just go for an arm. It's much more ergonomic, and it doesn't cost that much. I mean, if you are going to invest on a monitor, might as well as buy a arm. So yeah, with that we will meet you in the next video. If you are still here, consider like, subscribe, share. Anyway, they are free now, and it will support me a ton. So yeah, bye.